to Magic Tricks for Kids. My name is Miss Stacy. Today, I am going to perform a magic trick for you and show you how the secret is made through magic. Watch and you'll see. Well, magicians love to make things disappear, right? Yes, I love to make things disappear. Today, I'm going to make 2 game pieces disappear. Well, here, I'm going to actually let you hold them. Now, in this particular trick, you can use lots of things to make them disappear. You want them to be about this size because they're going to go inside your cup. So they could be game pieces or they could be marbles or maybe dice. Okay, now, Keegan, you can drop in the game pieces into the styrofoam cup. And I hear them go in. Ka-dunk, ka-dunk. Yes, and on the count of 3, we are going to make these game pieces disappear like they were never there. Oh, yes, but today I need some magical words. Did you bring some in your pocket?
Oh, you did?
Wow, that's such a large one that I don't even know if I can say that one again. We're going to go with reading is magical. So here we go. And on the count of 3, reading is magical. Let's do it really loud and together. And with the audience to make sure they say it loud and clear to make this magic happen. And reading is magical. Whoa. It truly is. And I just made them disappear. I could drink. But guess what? It's time to reveal the secrets. You know they have to be somewhere. They're right here. But how did they get there? Because in my little styrofoam cup, I have a trap door. Ooh la la. Which you can make very easily. I'll show you how. With the styrofoam cup, yes. You just simply cut your circle, but big enough to allow your game pieces or your marbles or your dice or whatever to fall through. Leaving though enough room on the bottom for you to be able to tape a piece of paper on top of it. Oh yes. So let me show you. Here's our first one. You can barely see it because it blends in so incredibly well, but it's actually, ta-da, there it is. So now we have this, so we have to place our little trap door on the top. So that's what our sheet of paper is for. Measure and there we go. Just large enough, but I'll still snip it to snip the edges away. So first, then we're going to tape. Okay, Mr. Keegan, I'm going to let you tape that right there to cover up the hole, but it still be on the side. You got it. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Now I'll trim away the extra sides. Ooh, look at that little trap door. So from this way, you cannot barely even see it because you don't have to allow them to look directly in. So they really can't see it as you move it around, right? We got to do our magical words. When you drop them in, they will say, reading is magical. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Reading is magical. Yes, and it truly is. For you see, they're gone. And I showed you the trap door. You simply palm them into your hand, and the magic trick will work for you too. How else can they learn magic tricks?
By going to the library and checking out books like this.
Ta-da! He just made magic happen as well. Find out. Learn more magic tricks. Come show us too. We'd love to see them. And I hope to see you where?
At the library.
At the library. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.